girls, welcome to my channel, Goddess Signature. Let me just adjust the lighting of it. Yo, I haven't done a sit down video in such a really long time and I miss doing that. Yeah, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm going to Royal Ascot event today on Wednesday. I was just so excited and I wanted to film my get ready with me and my makeup and everything. So I'm actually vlogging this event and that vlog is gonna come as a separate video, but I just wanted to film the makeup as well for you guys, you know, as a chance to do a sit down video and also chip in the makeup tutorial in there. So yeah, let's get started. Yo, like I miss doing makeup tutorials so much, and I actually started off my channel by doing this, but then lately, you know, I've been talking about family trauma, narcissism and all that, and I kind of want to bring this back. Okay, so like, I want it to be a thing whereby I come on here, get ready, and then also chat. So I'm gonna make this video something like that as well. So the cream that I just used is the Bobbi Brown cream. It's not focusing, but yeah, it's the Bobbi Brown cream, and I've already done my nails. Okay, I've done red nails. I'm also gonna go for pink, not pink, red lips as well. For my second primer, I'm gonna use this Embryolisse cream. Yo, this cream is really beneficial. Like every time I use it, my makeup lasts long and my makeup also sticks. So I'm gonna add that layer on top. Guys, like I know that the event has started already. Right now it's 11:21, but I plan to get there by 1, which I think is and yo, I'm wearing heels the entire time and I'm just so worried about my feet, and I don't want to take extra shoes because like this is Royal Ascot. I don't want to bring in extra shoes. Yo, it looks so beautiful already. I want to bring in extra shoes, so I'm gonna hold myself up and wear the heels the whole day. And when it comes to my hair, I'm going for a bun, which is something like what I have on already. Like I should have done my hair the night before, but I didn't, which is fine. I'm just gonna add on some gel and put the bandana back on. So I'm gonna add this Echo styling gel. Now, I've had this gel for so long and I haven't been using it that much, but I'm mainly gonna use it on my edges area, you know, you guys. So like I wanted to wear a hat for this event, but I didn't have time to order it, and it kind of hurts my soul because it would have been so nice to wear a hat because it's Royal Ascot. It would be nice to wear a hat, but I'm gonna wear a bow because the heels that I plan on wearing, it has a bowl on it. So I think I'm just gonna put like a bowl on my bun. Guys, so I'm nearly done with the hair. I just slapped on the gel and I don't really know how to do a slick back bun. I mainly rely on bandanas slicking it back for me. So I'm gonna add on this got to be glue. I comb it all the way down. The hair is basically done and that looks so beautiful already, but to slick it back even further, yeah, I'm gonna put on the bandana. Like I mentioned earlier, I really rely on the bandana to really slick it back for me. I'm gonna add on my bonnet because I don't really like how my face looks when I put on the bandana. Yeah, I searched online and they were saying that the Windsor enclosure is the poor people's side. Because it was the cheapest tickets. It was £35. There were tickets that were like nearly £100. I'm like, wow. But I know I'll get there someday. Okay, and now it's time for my favorite bit, which is the makeup. Okay, and now all my primers are dried up, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Lancome foundation. Yo, I need this makeup to look really snatched and I need it to stay on all day, so I'm gonna use my Lancome foundation. So this is the Lancome foundation in the shade 540C. Then I'll just apply it here. Yo, when I tell you this foundation is my exact match, yeah, like let me show you. Look at that. The foundation match is absolutely insane. It matches me perfectly. Yo, look at that. Like where did the foundation go? Foundation literally disappeared onto my skin, and when I'm wearing foundation, yeah, I don't really wear much of it, and I also don't apply it everywhere because I'm gonna go in with concealer, bronzer, like I'm gonna go in with a whole more product anyway, so I don't really apply much. And most importantly, I don't apply it under my eyes because it can lead to your under eye creasing. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Yo, my lips are looking so dry. Let me moisturize it because no dried lips are allowed around here, honey. So, and I'm using the NYX lip oil, one of my favorite lip oils to use. Yo, this product is amazing. Yo, I look so beautiful. I look so pretty. Like, you can't even tell that I have foundation on. Like, where is the foundation, yo? But then the last time I checked, this is the last shade of the Lancome Tinted Doll foundation, and they need to do better because I'm not the dark skin girl on this planet. Yeah. Time for the concealer, and I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers to use as well. So I'm just gonna go in and apply it here and also extend it here. I'm gonna go for like a full glam. Like I'm gonna snatch this face, yeah. Like by the time I'm done, I'll look like a doll. Like I'll look like a manufactured doll. If you want your concealer to last long and also give it like a full coverage look, then when you apply your concealer, do not blend it straight away. But this is a full coverage concealer anyway. But if you have like a light shade of concealer and you want it to last a bit longer, apply it on and then leave it on for a bit. But don't leave it on all the way, otherwise it can end up creasing and it can end up breaking as well. So yeah, so it's now time to bronze and blush. I'm using one of my favorites, one of my favorite blush and bronze combo from Made by Mitchell. So I purchased this product nearly 2 years ago, and ever since I got it, I haven't been able to put it down because it's so good. And because I'm going for today's look here, I really want my lips and my eyeshadow to pop. I don't really want my cheeks to pop or anything, so I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. As you guys can see, the products are really pigmented. A little goes a long way as well. Like when you're using Made by Mitchell products, or the ones that I have, a little goes a really long way. You don't really need much. So I'm just gonna apply that, and I'll apply it in like a C-shaped form. Okay. And I miss recording on this camera, I feel like I'm gonna do my sit down videos. I'm gonna start redoing it on this camera because this camera is so good. The previous camera that I was using was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I feel like that camera is mainly made for vlogging, and this is made for like beauty vlogs, sit down videos, makeup tutorials, videos like that. So I think I'm gonna get that back. But the only con when using this product is that whenever I'm transferring my videos, it takes hours. Like it takes so long to transfer one video, but with the DJI Osmo it doesn't take that long, which is why I prefer using that for my vlog, because I can be really impatient sometimes. Sometimes I prefer instant gratification than just being patient, so I need to practice my patience. But other than that, I think I'm gonna bring this one back. So right now I'm using this bronzer shade, and I don't really contour much because I'm already snatched, but sometimes I just like to go in just a little tiny bit. You can't really see the product. You can see it right there, just some tiny bit in there, and then blend it out. I'm gonna wait for the concealer to dry out a bit more, and I'm gonna use these tools for my eyebrow. So first of all, I'm gonna comb it out, and I did trim it a few weeks ago, so it doesn't really need much trimming at the moment. So what I do is that I comb it out, and then I use this products from Revolution Beauty. Like I love using it. I received this products like over 2 years ago, but for some reason I was just not using it, and I wish I started using it way earlier. But now I get a chance to, so I just comb it up. So it has two ends. The first end is the glue, and then the other end is actually the eyebrow pencil. And this is literally in the perfect shade for me, black. But I've never really tried like a dark brown eyeshadow pencil. Eyebrow filling pencil. So I really want to try that, but that's normally how I do it. And then I'll just wait for it to dry. Sometimes I fun for it to dry. Guys, so I filled in my eyebrows, and as you can see, I didn't really do much, and now I'm just gonna clean them up. And I'm not really dipping into a new concealer. I'm just using the one that is on the brush to clean it up. Guys, oh my god, look at my face. So I'm gonna blend. Is the camera even clear? So I'm gonna blend this out using this beauty blender. Where did I get this beauty blender from? It's from a black owned brand that they sent to me, which I really appreciate. Guys, so I'm nearly done blending, and yo, this is looking so well right now. I love it. Like this makeup tutorial literally has no filter on you, and my blending is so good. I love it. It's now time to set the makeup, and yo, so I'm actually using the Huda Beauty setting powder, but I transferred some of it into the True Cosmetics one because I dropped it and the container broke. So this is how I'm managing. And then I'm also using this powder puffer from True Cosmetics. Yeah. So what I do is that I dip the product into the powder. Yeah. I blend it out a bit on my palm or the back of my hand, whichever one you prefer. And make sure that you blend out for one last time, because you don't want to go in and set a crease in concealer. That is not good, because how is it that you are now just finishing with your makeup, or you're not doing your makeup and your under eyes are creasing? You know, that's not cute. So make sure to blend it out first and then press the powder into the skin. Okay, yeah. And then I go in and add more. Yeah, like I mentioned in the beginning, I started off my channel by doing makeup tutorials, and I want to bring that back, yo. I haven't been posting about makeup that much lately. Yeah, I've changed my name like nearly 3 times since I started this YouTube channel. I've changed it so many times because I can. This is how the powder situation is looking, and I'm gonna go in and bronze. So I'm using this Beauty Bay. It's actually an eyeshadow palette, but yo, this is literally my go-to. And look at how it's looking. Oh no! Let me just apply this underneath, and also here. Let me pull this back a bit. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, look at how my forehead is looking. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend it all out. Yo, like my friend just texted me that she's running late, which is fine. Okay. She's coming all the way from London, and I'm not that far from Windsor, so oh my gosh. So this is how it's looking. When nose contouring, I like to start from beneath the eyebrow, so it gets like a starting point instead of just a straight line going down your nose. Time for blush, one of my favorite parts. Guys, so I've done the eyeshadow, yeah. And I forgot to highlight. Yeah, when I first started makeup, I used not to like highlighting, and I mainly didn't like highlighting because I didn't really want to see much shine or much highlighting on my cheeks. But now I like it. I just like to add a bit more. Actually, I remember that one of the main reasons why I didn't like highlighting was because I had so many pores and acne on my face before. So whenever I highlighted, it brought it out even more, and that was one of the reasons why I didn't like it. But now I'm okay because my skin has healed, my skin have cleared up a bit, so I like doing it now. And now I mostly just like highlighting my nose, my cupid bow, my jaw, and like, you know, my T-zone area. I like seeing that there. And yo, my eyes are looking so beautiful. They're looking so beautiful. So it's now time to wear the lashes. Yeah, I'm gonna wear lashes that will flatten my eyes already, because when I wear lashes, I don't want it to take away the beauty in my eyes. So I'm gonna go for really natural lashes today. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So do you guys find it hard to wear lashes? For me, it's one of the easiest parts, and I'm gonna show you how I wear mine. So always use a good quality glue, because that's what also counts in it being easier. So I use this Dio glue. The packaging has wiped out a bit, but I use this Dio glue that I purchased from Amazon 2 years. I've been using this for 2 years now. It still hasn't run out. So what you want to do is apply the glue, of course, wait for a few seconds for it to dry. Mine has a bit of glue on there, so I'm gonna wipe that out. In that, yeah, and get your mirror, look down in the mirror. Okay, so for me, I have a mirror that can spin around, so which is really beneficial. So what you want to do is get your mirror, yeah, just hold on. So get your mirror, look down, yeah, look all the way down and then stick it on. Okay, when you stick it on, and then use your fingers to stick it down and hold for a few seconds. Make sure that it's on properly. Okay, I'm gonna do it for a second time because I feel like I didn't really explain it well first time. So get your lashes. Yeah, if there's big glue on there, there's dirt on there, make sure that you clean it. You get your mirror, look down, and then start sticking it from the middle. Yeah, so you stick it in the middle, stretch it to the side, and then stretch it to the corner. Okay, make sure that you get the corners because sometimes your whole lashes can't stick but the corners. Okay, and that can be quite embarrassing. I have experienced that in my life, so if I wear by the corner of my lashes aren't sticking, but make sure that the corner of your lashes stick. Okay, you don't want it to irritate your eyes. You don't want to be looking unprofessional and messy. Guys, so I had to stop recording halfway through because my eyes started watering. But it's good now. My eyes look so cute, sexy, sultry, and seductive. So I'm gonna add on this mascara. Yeah, this mascara once again is from Revolution because I want my eyes to look even more sexy. Okay, and also to blend. Oh no, now my corners are lifting. Alright, so this is how the eye makeup is looking so far. Everything looks so good and it looks so beautiful. It's now time to do my lips. Yo, I can't find my sharpener. This is how the pencil is looking, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, and now it's time for the red lip. Okay, I'm gonna start off by using this NYX Slick Click as the base. Yeah. Oh, I like how it looked on the screen. Look at that. And this is the reason why it's called Slick Click, and the product comes out. Yeah. I'm gonna use this as the base. I can't wait to finish, dress up, and take pictures before I head out, yo. This has a nice smell to it. Yo, when it comes to lip product, run to NYX. Okay, NYX have the best lip product. And now this NYX other red lipstick. This is part of the Butter Gloss collection. Oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, I look so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off the bandana. Okay, see how the hair is doing.
There we go. Look, I know you're worried, all right? But I did the research.
Oh my God. I look so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so that worked out really well. I'm gonna go ahead and change into my dress and I'll be back soon. I'm done getting ready and this is how everything turned out. I filmed Get Ready With Me, so I'm going to include that in the YouTube video. But as of now, I just wanted to show you guys how my outfit looks, the hair, everything, and I will now transfer to vlogging, so I'll catch you soon.